talk about the big headline coming in from Telangana. The countdown is on for the Jubilee Hills Assembly by-poll. As many as 211 candidates have filed nomination to contest these elections. Some of these nominations have been filed by individuals affected in a land acquisition that's happened in this area. But what really is this political battle looking like? Abdul Bashir gets you this ground report.
The stage is set for a mega political clash in the heart of Hyderabad. This is where the who's who of Hyderabad reside, from politicians to superstars. And so when the affluent Jubilee Hills seat is up for grabs, it becomes an explosive fight. It's a three-way battle between the Congress, the BJP and the BRS. The BRS hopes to hold on to the seat, but it will be a challenge.
BJP does not want to expose the Congress, and Congress is committing a lot of mistakes, and which people are really vexed with. So therefore, I think in this election, Jubilee Hills elections, both Congress and the BJP will be taught a befitting lesson.
The BJP is going all out to win this crucial seat, with Union Minister Kishan Reddy leading this campaign.
BRS पार्टी 10 साल देके हैं, कांग्रेस का 2 साल देके हैं, कोई बदलाव नहीं है, कोई चेंज नहीं है. कहीं भी देखे तो ड्रेनेज प्रॉब्लम है, वाटर प्रॉब्लम है, हाई टेंशन वायर प्रॉब्लम है, रेगुलराइजेशन का प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ भी देखो तो प्रॉब्लम ही प्रॉब्लम है.
The Congress meanwhile believes they have an edge, claiming that they're way ahead in the race for Jubilee Hills.
Congress party is more than 10% ahead of BRS party. BJP is very way behind even TRS party. So it is a contest which has become one-sided now.
The AIMIM has pledged its support to the Congress for the upcoming by-poll, with OWC putting its weight behind Revanth Reddy.
हम जुबली हिल के 3,98,724 वोटर से ये अपील करते हैं कि वो एक नौजवान नवीन यादव को अपने वोट दें ताकि वो जुबली हिल में डेवलपमेंट ला सके.
The high-stakes by-poll to the Jubilee Hills Assembly constituency here will take place on the 11th of November, with the counting of votes on the 14th of November.
Well, here what we are learning is that more than 200 candidates have filed 300 plus nominations for these Jubilee Hills by-poll, which is said to be a center point for political war of words. With camera person Damodar, Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.